Elicitation and collaboration knowledge area describes the task performed to obtain information and communicate with stakeholders to confirm the results. In this session, you will get an overview of various business analysis tasks involved in elicitation and collaboration knowledge area. By the end of this session, you would have understood the purpose of elicitation and collaboration. Eliciting requirements and design is a key task and involves drawing forth or bringing out information and reach agreement on the mutual understanding of the information. It involves discovering requirements and designs by talking with stakeholders, researching, or experimenting. Collaboration is the act of two or more people working together towards a common goal. Elicitation and collaboration can be planned activities such as workshops and surveys that can be structured and organized in advance. Elicitation and collaboration can also be unplanned activities that can happen without notice, such as last-minute or just-in-time collaboration or conversations. However, information collected with unplanned activities may require deeper exploration through a planned activity. Please note that elicitation and collaboration is not a phase or an isolated activity. Rather, it is an ongoing activity and can be performed while carrying out any task from other knowledge areas. This is the input-output diagram for elicitation and collaboration knowledge area. Inputs are the information consumed or transformed to produce an output and are necessary for a task to begin. Inputs are generated by other business analysis tasks or are generated outside the scope of business analysis. The inputs labeled with the task number are outputs of those specific tasks, while inputs that are generated outside the scope of business analysis are marked as external. Outputs are the result produced by performing the task and are labeled with the task number. These outputs may act as inputs to other business analysis tasks. Please pause and study the input-output diagram. Elicitation and collaboration knowledge area includes following tasks. Using Prepare for Elicitation task, we can understand the scope of elicitation activity, select appropriate techniques, and plan for appropriate resources. Using Conduct Elicitation task, we can understand stakeholder needs and identify potential solutions. This may involve direct interaction with stakeholders, doing research, or running experiments. Using Confirm Elicitation Result task, we can check the information gathered during an elicitation session for accuracy and consistency with other information. Using Communicate Business Analysis Information task, we can provide stakeholders with the information they need and at the time they need it. The information is presented in a useful form using the right terminology and concepts to ensure shared understanding. Using Manage Stakeholder Collaboration task, we can work with stakeholders to engage them in overall business analysis process and ensure strong, positive, and trust-based relationship with stakeholders. Now let's try to understand business analysis core concept model within the context of elicitation and collaboration knowledge area. The business analysis core concept model is a conceptual framework for business analysis. The business analysis core concept model can be used to describe and communicate about business analysis using a common terminology. It is composed of 6 terms, and each of these terms is considered to be a core concept. The 6 core concepts are change, need, solution, stakeholder, value, and context. Each core concept is defined by other 5 core concepts and cannot be fully understood until all the concepts are understood. The first concept is change, and it signifies the act of transformation in response to a business need. As business environment evolves, changes occur within a context and can lead to enhancement or degradation of the solutions. Hence, during elicitation and collaboration, we need to use variety of elicitation techniques to fully understand the change and determine the types and extent of elicitation and collaboration. The second concept is need, and it signifies a problem or opportunity to be addressed. Needs are due to changes in a given context and can also cause changes. Hence, during elicitation and collaboration, we need to elicit, confirm, and communicate needs and supporting business analysis information. As elicitation is iterative and incremental, the understanding of needs may evolve over time. The third concept is solution, and it signifies a specific way of satisfying one or more needs in a given context. Solution also solve problems faced by stakeholders. Hence, during elicitation and collaboration, we need to elicit, confirm, and communicate required or desired functionalities of the proposed solutions. The fourth concept is stakeholder, and it represents a stakeholder group or individual stakeholder affected by the change and needs the solution. Hence, during elicitation and collaboration, we need to manage collaboration with the stakeholders who participate in business analysis work. All stakeholders may participate in different roles and at different times during a change. The fifth concept is value, and it signifies the worth, importance, or usefulness of something to a stakeholder within a context. Value can be potential gains or returns. Hence, during elicitation and collaboration, we need to collaborate with stakeholders to assess, confirm, and communicate the relative value of elicitation results. The sixth concept is context, and it signifies the circumstances that influence the change. Hence, during elicitation and collaboration, we need to apply a variety of elicitation techniques to identify business analysis information about the context that may affect the change. Please pause and go through the usage and application of each of the core concepts within the context of elicitation and collaboration. To recap, elicitation and collaboration knowledge area describe the task performed to obtain information and communicate with stakeholders to confirm the results. In this session, you have just got an overview of various business analysis tasks and about the business analysis core concept model within the context of elicitation and collaboration knowledge area. To explore further, you are welcome to take free sessions and enroll to the course.